In this video, I'll show you how to add two-factor authentication to Outlook to secure your account, and how to change and remove the two-step authenticator. It's quick, easy, and helps protect your personal information. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Sign in with the Microsoft account that you use for Outlook. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner, then select My Microsoft Account. From the left sidebar, tap on Security. You may be asked to enter your Microsoft account password for verification. On the next screen, you'll see two-step verification on the top right. Click it, then tap Manage. A page will open explaining how two-step verification works. Click Next to continue setting it up. Choose how you want to receive your verification codes. You can receive them through a mobile app like Microsoft Authenticator, text message, or phone. On your mobile, download the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store. You can get it from the Play Store on Android and the App Store on iPhone. Download links are provided in the video description. Open the app and tap to add an account, and scan the QR code on your screen. Once scanned, click Next on the website. Enter the code shown in the app and click Verify. If the code is correct, your app will be linked to your Microsoft account. If you prefer using a phone number, select that option instead. Enter your number, and verify using the code sent to you. Once done, Microsoft will confirm that two-factor authentication is active on your account. And that's it. Two-factor authentication is now active, giving your Outlook account an extra layer of protection. To remove it, follow the same steps and remove it from here. Please refer to my tutorial in the video description and pinned comment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.